Say this is Lily Shaunolo from CMTV. This is calling your partner to confirm if your partner is loyal. I'm in the streets. I want to check people who are loyal in their relationships. If their partners are loyal, they get 1,000 rand. If their partners are cheating, they don't get anything. Stay tuned.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Wena ungihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awudokho ngamnendaba nakho. Angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akakho faithful. Into ezokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina?
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when you are stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?
Show off. Later. How's it? I'm good. You are speaking to Lee from CMTV. Ne? I'm doing a show where I test the relationships. So I want to ask you a few questions to test if umuntu wakho loyal. If your partner is loyal, you get 1,000 rand. I believe you are dating.
Yeah, ngiyazwa.
Yeah, so sizokunika 1,000 rand if umuntu wakho loyal.
Okay, niyangoko.
Yeah, ngokho.
Okay.
If umuntu wakho uloyal, ugcineni okay, first of all, igama lakho bani?
Nani wasipheli igama la.
Asperi. Okay, who are you dating?
Ulinathi.
Okay, and how long have you been together?
I think 2 years ma.
2 years. When last did you see her?
And what?
When last did you see her? Ugcineni kumbona?
Izolo elinye late.
Okay. Ngicela ufake amanamba wakhe. Uwafake la. Thank you.
Ke ngizokwenza samfonela.
Ngiyamfonela manje. Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Hey. Uzwe voice endoda la.
Yeah.
Hello. How are you? How are you doing?
I'm good, and how are you?
I'm good. You're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm doing a show here where we test the relationships. So I'm here with your man, your boyfriend, and I want to ask you a few questions to test ukuthi umuntu wakho loyal. So wanna check if loyal. If loyal, umuntu wakho uzothola 1,000 rand nginaye manje.
Okay.
Yala. How long have you guys been together?
We've been together for 6 months.
Okay. How is it like? Is he light skin or dark skin?
He's dark skinned.
Okay. When last did you see him?
On Wednesday,
Okay.
yesterday.
Gama lakho bani?
Big.
Hayibo. Hello. Linathi.
Hello.
Hayibo. Ubani ubheki?
Nguwe nje.
Abondeni ubheki mina ngo.
Hi, baby. You know I usually calls you babe.
Ayikho lo nto mfondini, zawundiza bheki. Ubani ubheki?
Baby, wena.
Hayi uyabona ke ngoku utheni sithi sine 6 months ngo. Akwabalo kanye.
No.
Siqani ujola.
No.
Suthi no mfondini, suthi no ayikho no yona.
Baby, listen to me.
Dad,
We don't count months.
kanti sibala nto? Unyaka kanti wenza zinto?
What are you talking about? Kuwena beki mos.
Ubani ubheki anobheki mina wena Linathi.
Achi.
Yeah.
Azi ke ukuthi ungifunani manje.
Uthi
Bani lo ngifunelayo umtshela ngendaba zama loyalty test.
Amy, I wanted to check ukuthi uloyal kumuntu wakho.
ma brother umntana uthi ungigqibela izolo kwengekho mina. Wenze sibani izolo? Unibone phi izolo?
Uthe uphona.
Yeah.
Because they are talking about 1,000. Did you say you are poor?
Yeah. Yima kaloku izolo unibone phi? Ngozolo kwengekho mina. Ndiye esibani izolo. Yeah.
I was at your place, Mus.
Ke ngoba uhle naba. Uyachitha ngowe.
ngizwe boys yomjita.
Ke ngoba uthitha apha ke ngoba uthitha apha eceleni kwakho.
No, it's
Yimo. Uthi uyangicela.
you're on loudspeaker, baby.
Yeah.
There was a guy that's
Hayi bondi emanzi unenza isidenge wena manje ndivimile othethayo apha.
Baby.
Asuthi baby ndo uthi baby ndo. Ngoba uthithayo apha. Uphi khona?
Manje soya
Uphi khona?
uyangishayida manje.
Uphi khona?
Usekhaya.
Ke ngoba uthethayo apha.
It's your voice.
Hayi ndivimile uthetha hayi man aniphambani wena man. Hey aniphambani azongicabe voice yami ayo voice yami thetha apha. Kodwa ndikubheki mna.
Baby, you know.
Ndazi ntoni.
ask if basebenzisa icondom nobheki.
Yes.
Ask if ayisebenzisa nobheki.
Yima ubheki lo wakho ilanto neyisebenzisa icondom.
Sana sebenzisa icondom for what?
Wena ubheka lo muntu wakho.
Sebenzisa icondom for what?
Yima yiyo into ondenza yona after zonke engikwenzele zona.
Baby, I have
Ungazothi baby. Yima
nothing wrong.
yima indlela ke ngolena ondibonga ngayo ngole.
You are my baby.
Hayi ngubheki wakho man ngubani ubheki?
Nguwe nje.
Ye ndithi ndenza ngubheki mina. Jonga linathi yapha. Jonga linathi. Jonga. Ndiyabonga ukuthi ndidikiwe ngicela uzipa indlela lethu othatha zonke impahla zakho zipha wena. Zazitshisa okanye mina. Zazitshisa okanye mina ungandixelela zazitshisa okanye. Uza kubani uze kubani? Uyanini ibheki ngo. Uyanini ibheki uzoza kumi ngo.
Baby.
Ngibheki jonga lethu othandile impahla zakho pha. Okanye uzomane selijulele esitratweni.
Oh my God.
Lo mntana Brian into enamenzele yona lo.
Bye bye sister.
And you love me too. So
Hey angangixayile lo nto man. Oh into ba wenza into kubuya abantu akuthanda.
no, baby.
Ke ngoku wasenzenzayo.
I love you too much.
Ke ngoku okay lo nto ithi ngithithele ngobhiki ngo.
Baby, ngisasho namanje ukuthi uwe ubheki.
Hayibo ngiqale ngubheki. Yeah.
Nguwe ubheki.
Uzotha impahla zakho lethu ngale ngiqhayele. Utha impahla zakho lethu.
My clothes and I'm not leaving you.
Uhlana ba.
With you.
Hayi noba uyaphambana wena noba uyaphambana uligeza wena ko right. Dana ibonga le nto yabakho right wena.
Watching?
Dana ibonga yakuba wena ngokho right.
Asimiyeke boy.
Jonga uhlale nawe ubheki wakhe yeva. Jonga inamba yami uyidelete yeva. Jonga phinde undithethise Brahma miyelo mntana uyangixela.
Asimiyeke. Ufila kanjani mfethu?
Hayi mntana Brahma uyangixela lo. Lo mntana Brahma amenzele yona lona. NgoDisemba mna ndimhlisile ndamsale elanzeni lo. Lelanze. Lelanze emakhaya. Nanto emakhaya namthanda msemakhaya. Ngoko ndenza lento ufunde phinde ndambuyisa ngokwami.
Sorry ne.
Uyabuya uzokwenza into ukhona ngibani bheki ndezwa ngibheki mina.
Sorry man.
Hayi uyangixela mntana bra.
Isukiyeke mfethu ube
Hayi uzohamba uthe impahla zakhe le.
guys, hey, it's going crazy. Hey. Hi, I'm traumatized. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm traumatized.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Wena ungihlanyisa wena don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awulokhu ngamnendaba nakho. Angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akekho faithful. Into ezokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina.
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when you are stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?